enjoyed staying in bed on a cold, rainy morning. But it's been so hot in the previous days that waking up in this rain, plus with the love of your life, talking with you, feels so great that despite the distance, the day seems so enjoyable and memorable. Indeed, for every one of us who are in a long distance relationship, communication is the key. It enables us to keep on going with strong faith that soon we will be in each other's arms. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Till next time.